Let's publish a review so that it can be seen by your patrons. In order to do this, you have to have a security level that is at least as high as the security level that is needed to publish reviews. Typically that is level 8, but it doesn't have to be. In my case, it is set for level 8, so I am going to log in as the administrator. What you'll do is go down to the widget for recent reviews. Click on Find More Reviews, and here you have some choices. You can look for published or unpublished reviews, or both. You can look for a minimum rating and age of the review, decide on how old the reviews can be before you decide that you want to go ahead and look at them for publication. And you can select the category of reviews that you want to look at. In my case, I'm going to choose fiction. And you can also, of course, select the name of someone who has done a review, and you can select a location if this is enabled in your setup. And we see that there is one review for The Jungle, and what we want to do is go ahead and have a look at that review. The idea behind this process obviously is that you want to have full control as the administrator over what content gets published to your patrons. Here is where you would actually review the review and make sure that it meets whatever standards you have set for publication. After you have done that review, click Save. Now that review and you can see the reviews that have met your search criteria, and so you can go on over to the edit link and bring up that review. And when you bring up that review, obviously the idea here is that you as the administrator want to have full control over what content gets published to your patrons. So you can go ahead and review the review at this point and make whatever changes are needed to bring the review up to the standard that you have set for publication at your organization. After you have done that, you can simply hit the after you have done that, simply hit the Save key, and you will need to and simply hit the Save key, then click on Library News, and click on the Publish button, and now the review is published. So the review will show up in the Recent Reviews widget on the home page. And now you'll see that as you mouse over that review, you will get a small informational pop-up about the book. And that's how a review gets published in Surpass 6.